What's up guys, it's James. Welcome back to my channel, The Derpy Kitchen. For today's video, we're doing pulled pork, a very versatile dish. You can literally put it on anything. Tacos, nachos, poutine, sandwiches. The possibilities are endless. For this video, I paired it with some homemade bread. I have a video for that over there. To make a sandwich. If you like what you see, like the video, subscribe to my channel for more content like it, and click the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Also, I'm on Facebook and Instagram at The Derpy Kitchen, and if you like to get updates, follow along. Now, for the video.
Everything you need for the spice rub will be 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, optional. Whisk all that together, then set aside to prep the porky boy. Make sure to pat the pork dry before applying the rub. Rub your spice blend all over the surface area of the pork. Then wait a little bit, let the salt pull any remaining liquid out, then you can season it again so it's really flavorful. Little pro tip. I would do this the night before so the pork has lots of time to pull in the seasoning into the meat. Once fully seasoned, cover the pork and put it in the fridge. You can optionally choose to season it right before cooking instead of the night before, but you will lose out on a lot of added flavor. When you're ready to cook your pork, set the oven to 375 and leave it in for 30 to 45 minutes. When it is finished, your pork should read 150 Fahrenheit for its internal temperature. Let it rest for 10 minutes for it to absorb some of the juices it released during the cooking process. Then put it in a bowl or on a cutting board to begin literally pulling apart your pork. Get it? Pulled pork? Ha! When it's all done, put the bad boy on some homemade bread that I have a video for, wink wink, down below. While you're at it, check out some of the links I have in my description. I like to pair my pulled pork with cheddar or marble cheese because cheese goes with freaking everything. Also, make sure you toast your bread. You'll thank me later.
Thanks for watching, guys. I personally think pulled pork is a pretty easy and chill meal to make at home. If any of you decide to try to make the pulled pork dish, post about it and tag me in it. I would love to see them. I hope you liked the video, and as always, leave a comment down below your thoughts. And as always, I'm open to suggestions for future videos. Subscribe if you're not already, and click the notification bell for notifications. See you next Sunday, guys.